Hello, guys. Welcome to all in Zenith Educational Academy. So, today I came here to again discuss with you all about word formation process. As we discussed in the previous lecture, what is word formation process and what is inflection, how the words are created with the help of affixes. So, today's टॉपिक इज डेरिवेशन. जिस तरीके से मैंने प्रीवियस क्लास में इन्फ्लेक्शन डिस्कस किया, नाउ इज डेरिवेशन मीन्स व्हाट. डेरिवेशन इज अ वर्ड फॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस who changes the class, you can say parts of speech, meaning and function of the given words. Inflection में क्या था? Inflection only change meaning and function, but parts of speech वो change नहीं करता था. But derivation means it changes meaning, function and parts of speech of the given words. So example is there how verb change into noun. Verb से noun कैसे बनता है? For example, we have verb read. So read is a verb because of action, and when we added er, that is the suffix. This suffix is called derivational suffix that becomes reader, and reader is a noun. Like speak, speaker, listen, listener, talk, talker, wait, waiter. So whenever er is added to the verb, the word changes into noun. That is abound. It is abound. It is a verb. When we added the suffix, we have ance. It becomes abundance. So जब हम ance सफिक्स को ऐड करते हैं अबाउंट में जो वर्ब है, तब ये चेंज हो जाता है नाउन में. इसे कहते हैं अबेंडेंस. व्हेनेवर यू फाइंड ce or an er at the end of the verb, that is always noun. Next is admit. Admit is a verb. When we add it to the ion, that is suffix ion, oil. So admit becomes admission. So in terms of the admission, it is a noun and admit is a verb. Next is arrange. A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Arrange is a verb and arrangement. Again we have added suffix M-E-N-T. अगर किसी verb में meant add किया जाए तो वो noun बन जाता है. Whenever you find any word at the end of meant, अगर आप कोई word जिसके end में meant आए, M-E-N-T, वो always noun होता है. Next is advise. A-D-V-I-S-E. You can see that is a verb, advise. But when we change the sound, now that is only changes, that is S alphabet, that is C letter or alphabet. It becomes advice. That is advice. Za is there. Advice. Sa is there. Advice is a verb. Advice is noun. That is abide. Is a verb. Abode becomes noun. You can see we have changed only vowel, that is I, and the vowel becomes O. The only vowel change the function and grammatical category of parts of speech of the word. Verb into noun. Next is address. Address is a verb, but when we added the suffix E, double E, it becomes addressee. So addressee is a noun. Like pay, payee, employ, employee. तो पे वर्ब है, पेई नाउन हो गया. एम्प्लॉय वर्ब है, एम्प्लॉई नाउन हो गया. उसी तरीके से एड्रेस वर्ब है, एड्रेसी नाउन हो गया बिकॉज वी एडेड सफिक्स डबल ई. बिलीव, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Believe is a verb, but belief, that is belief, B-E-L-I-E-F, belief बन गया नाउन. Just build, build is a verb, but building it becomes noun. So we have to add the suffixes. We can say these are nominal suffixes, adjective suffixes, जो verb में add करते हैं जिससे हम nouns बनाते हैं. Come to the next example. We have bite, B-I-T-E. Bite, it is a kind of action. Yes, suppose dog bites human. So bite action है तो इसलिए verb है. Bite becomes bit. When we deleted the vowel E from the bite, ये क्या होगा? Bit. Bit is a kind of computer unit. Bit, yes, that is KB, MB, TB, GB. So bit is the I hope the minimal unit of the computer program. So bit is a noun. Next is consult. Consult, it is a verb, but consultant, it becomes a noun. अगर हमें किसी वर्ब के एंड में ant suffix मिलता है तो वो noun बन जाता है. That is consultant is a noun. Then deceive, जिस तरीके से believe था उसी तरह deceive है. Believe से बना belief जो noun है, और deceive से बना ना deceit. So deceit is noun, deceive is a verb. Next, depart. Depart, you know very well, like depart the train. Depart is a verb because of action. Departure, we have added the suffix ure. अगर आपको किसी वर्ब के एंड में ure suffix मिले तो वो noun में चेंज हो जाती है. तो departure is a noun. Discover, that is a verb, and discovery, it becomes a noun because we have only added the one alphabet, that is a y. And when y comes the end of word, it has a function of vowel. Y अगर किसी वर्ड के एंड में है तो उसका फंक्शन क्या होता है? वॉवल होता है, ई वॉवल का. और यही y जब बिगिनिंग में आती है तो एक कॉन्सोनेंट होती है, दैट इज द या, लाइक यू. तो यू में जो y बिगिनिंग में आती है वो वॉवल नहीं है, दैट इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट. बट यही y जब वर्ड के एंड में आए तो वॉवल का रोल करती है. तो डिस्कवर इज अ वर्ब, डिस्कवरी इज अ noun. Next is feed, F-E-E-D, feed. Feed, you know very well, it means when we are feeding the food. To feed is a verb because of action, and food becomes noun. Only interchange of the vowels. That is double E and that is a double O. The sound is E, sound is U. Last word is withdraw. Again, it is a verb because of action, withdraw the money from the bank. But if we added the suffix is al, it becomes withdrawal. So now what happens? Now withdrawal becomes noun and withdraw is a verb. So this is called derivation. जिस तरीके से हमने देखा कि verb noun में change हो रहा है with the addition of different suffixes. कहीं हमने ment लगाया, कहीं हमने er लगाया, कहीं anc लगाया, कहीं ion लगाया, कहीं हमने only vowel change किया, e becomes o. Sometimes we have changed only one consonant. You know, believe, va becomes believe, fa. So we have added so many kinds of suffixes here. You can see clearly. I hope you understood how to change verb into noun. इसे कहते हैं derivation. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि हर एक वर्ड का मीनिंग भी चेंज हुआ, फंक्शन भी चेंज हुआ और इसकी पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच भी चेंज हुई है. So I'll come to the next list of the words. Okay, that words list is how to change adjective into noun. वो भी derivation है. ये verb into noun. Next lecture means next video will be on how to change adjective into noun. So if you have any doubt, please tell me in the comment box. Thank you so much to all of you, and please like video, share video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.